Hello everyone, I'm Bob Bruce from Integrity Wealth Consulting with your August 2015 Economic Update. In this month's video, we'll talk about some of the most important economic events from last month and give you some insight into what they might mean for you as the investor. And please stay tuned at the end of this video for a required disclosure statement. August was a very rough month for the global financial markets. A Greek debt crisis, worries about Chinese recession, and uncertainty around a Federal Reserve interest rate hike all took their toll on investor sentiment. Let's talk about what happened last month. Greece finally arrived at a compromise with its European creditors that resolved its debt crisis, at least for the moment. The deal gives Greece another bailout while instituting some of the reforms that creditors wanted to see. Now, we expect to see a fresh round of Greek drama coming up in September when they have their new national elections. China took center stage in mid-August when its central bank unexpectedly devalued its currency. Later in the month, the market showed worldwide plummeted when those reports came out showing that China's economy may be heading towards a recession. China is the world's second largest economy and has accounted for a significant percentage of global economic growth in recent years. Will China slip into a recession? Well, we can't say for sure just yet, but some economists believe that China's central government is not prepared to do what's necessary to avoid a recession. While exports to China contribute a very small percentage of the U.S. GDP, a recession in China could be a major drag for the global economy. Fortunately, domestic spending is the largest driver of the U.S. economy, giving us a shield against economic issues overseas. While some U.S. companies would be affected by a Chinese slowdown, we believe that the fundamentals are looking very positive for the U.S. economy as a whole. Domestically, the economic picture looks much brighter. The second estimate of the U.S. gross domestic product showed that the economy grew 3.7% last quarter instead of 2.3% that was originally thought. That's excellent news after the dismal growth the economy experienced at the start of the year. Consumer spending, the biggest contributor to the U.S. economic growth, also grew substantially in July. Hopefully, cheaper gasoline, a strong labor market, and higher housing prices will continue to support consumer spending in the third quarter. So let's recap for you. While the global economic picture looks a little messy, U.S. fundamentals are looking positive, and we're keeping a very close eye on global events, and we'll update you as necessary. Though pullbacks and periods of volatility are stressful, they can also provide opportunities for savvy investors. As financial professionals, our job is to help position you, our client, for success in all market environments. Here are some upcoming events that we'd like to tell you about. Newland Archell is hosting another GNO, or Girls Night Out event at the Edgeworth Country Club. Sit by the fire pits with a glass of wine as you're treated to a private look at the W by Worth 2015 Fall and Winter Clothing Collection. You'll hear from Leslie Connors about the current trends and how to look skinny when you have to pile on those extra layers for winter. Sorry guys, this is for women only. That's it for the August Educational Economic Update. As always, if you have any questions or concerns about what we've discussed, give our office a call. Please remember that nothing we talk about here is a recommendation. If you would like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call at 724-940-9060. We're always happy to talk to you. While we believe the information in this report is reliable, we cannot guarantee its accuracy. Opinions expressed and are subject to change without notice and are not intended as investment advice or a solicitation for the purchase or sale of any security. Please consult your financial professional before making any investment decision.